The 2015 Dodge Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, backup camera, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, heated steering wheel, USB connection, rear window defroster, compass, heated front seats, trip computer, leather. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.